What causes my car's dashboard to show a brake system warning? When your car's dashboard displays a brake system warning light, it's a critical indication that there is a problem within your vehicle's braking system. Ignoring this warning can jeopardize your safety and the safety of others on the road, so it's crucial to understand the potential causes and take appropriate action. In this video, we will explore some common reasons behind this problem. So, before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Common causes of a brake system warning light. Low brake fluid level. One of the most common reasons for the brake system warning light to come on is a low brake fluid level. Brake fluid is essential for transmitting the force applied to the brake pedal to the brake calipers and drums, enabling your vehicle to stop. A low brake fluid level can indicate a leak or worn brake pads, resulting in reduced braking performance. Brake fluid contamination. Brake fluid should be cleaned and free of contaminants. Over time, moisture can enter the brake system, causing brake fluid to become contaminated. Contaminated brake fluid can lead to decreased brake performance and trigger the warning light. Worn brake pads or shoes. The brake system warning light may illuminate if your brake pads, for disc brakes, or brake shoes, for drum brakes, are excessively worn. As the brake lining material wears down, it reduces the effectiveness of the brakes, prompting the warning light. Brake caliper or wheel cylinder issues. Problems with the brake calipers, for disc brakes, or wheel cylinders, for drum brakes, can lead to brake fluid leaks or uneven brake pad/shoe wear. This can trigger the warning light and result in uneven braking performance. Faulty brake master cylinder. The brake master cylinder is responsible for pressurizing the brake fluid and distributing it to the brake calipers and wheel cylinders. A malfunctioning master cylinder can result in reduced brake pressure, leading to the warning light and compromised braking capability. Brake fluid temperature. Some modern vehicles have sensors that monitor brake fluid temperature. If the fluid temperature becomes excessively high, it can cause the warning light to come on as a safety precaution. What to do when the brake system warning light illuminates? Safe stopping. If the warning light comes on while driving, remain calm and take immediate action to stop safely. Reduce your speed, increase your following distance, and avoid sudden or aggressive braking. Check brake fluid level. Park your vehicle in a safe location, engage the parking brake, and turn off the engine. Open the hood and locate the brake fluid reservoir. Check the fluid level. If it's low, it may indicate a leak or worn brake pads. Do not open the brake fluid reservoir cap if you are not familiar with brake system maintenance, as exposure to air can lead to further problems. Inspect for visible issues. Visually inspect the brake lines and components for any signs of leakage, damage, or excessive wear. Look for wet spots or stains around the wheels and under the vehicle. Do not drive if you discover a significant brake fluid leak, worn brake pads, or any other visible issue. Do not drive the vehicle. It's not safe to operate a car with compromised brakes. Seek professional help. Contact a qualified automotive technician or mechanic to diagnose and repair the issue. Brake system problems require specialized knowledge and tools, so it's crucial to rely on professionals for proper repairs. Regular maintenance. To prevent future issues, adhere to a regular brake system maintenance schedule, including brake fluid changes and inspections. In conclusion, an illuminated brake system warning light on your car's dashboard is a critical safety indicator that should never be ignored. It can signal various problems within the braking system, including low brake fluid, worn brake components, ABS malfunctions, and more. If this warning light comes on while driving, prioritize safety by reducing speed and stopping in a safe location. Afterward, check brake fluid levels, inspect for visible issues, and seek professional help to diagnose and repair the problem. Your vehicle's braking system is vital for your safety, so timely maintenance and repairs are essential. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.